Good morning, we are Grade 8. Background: the company is a cereal producer. Just main activity are to manufacture, package and distribute food products. The company production area contains the cereal production area and the packaging area, where the packaging area consists of 4 packaging machines. Problem statement: the availability of packaging line number 2 in the packaging area of the cereal producing company located in the north of Guayaquil during the last 5 months of 2019 has an average of 64.4% when it reaches a value of 79%. Objective: the objective is to increase the availability percentage of the number 2 packaging machine in the cereal producing company from 64.4% to 70% from June to October 2020. Response variable: the response variable relates the times that we are studying within it. In this case, it will be the time of schedule, in schedule, stop, planned production time, operating time, which by decreases schedule stop, that include the time of changes and cleaning, will increase the percentage of availability.
Brainstorming. In order to find out the potential causes of the problem, brainstorming was held, in which participated the process engineering, food safety analyst, the packaging leader, 3 operators, 2 analysts, and the members of this group. 2 brainstorms were held, one for changeover times and one for cleaning times, since these 2 activities are the ones that most influence the use of the packaging machines too. After this, and with the help of the leader of the packaging area, the leading operator and an assistant, the weighting of these causes was carried out with a cause-effect matrix and Pareto diagram. All this left us with the causes that could be the most important, 8 causes for the changeover time and only 3 for cleaning times.
The causes verification plan is used to define the variables with high impact. For these 3 variables, a t-test was made where the p-value is greater than 0.05. Therefore, the null hypothesis is not rejected. That means all these variables are insignificant. For this variable, a process timeline is used, and we can observe that the compressed air is used several times. And by this reason, we choose this variable as significant. For these 2 variables, a t-test was made where the p-value for this variable is greater than 0.05. That means it's not significant. But for this variable, the p-value is less than 0.05. That means this variable is significant. For these 2 variables, we're going to decide according to these graphics and our experience that this variable is significant for our change over time. In cleaning time, we have 3 causes. For these 2 first causes, a t-test was made where the p-value for both variables is greater than 0.05. That means these variables are insignificant for the cleaning time. For the last one, variable for cleaning time, a man-machine chart was made, and we can observe that the operators do activities that don't add value, and we're going to reduce them to reduce our cleaning time. That means this variable is significant for our cleaning time.
Once we have found the variables that influence in our response variable, we must apply the 5 whys technique to find the root causes of our problems. The potential causes increase both the changeover and cleaning time. Okay, so the root cause for the river cleaning task using compressor air, it is due to the air blower is being used multiple times for different tasks when it's not necessary. So we must standardize the process. The operators with different calibration skills, it is because they don't have enough training and are not completely familiar with the process. The different workload per operator, it is because not all workers are trained to carry out the same activities. So we must train the operators, analyze the workload, and standardize the process time. There are external activities considered internal. It is due to the operators that don't have standards to carry out the process. In this, we must apply the SMED technique and standardize the process. The excessive time for cleaning is due the operators intuitively carry out the process, adding activities that don't add value. We're ready to our next step in our DMAIC methodology, the improve.